Hello all, in this program we are going to use nested loops to print various patterns. Let us start. I'll take two variables. I'll be using for loop here. For I is equals to 1, I less than or equals to 5. Directly I'm taking the values I plus plus. Now I am opening a loop called for loop. In that I will be using another loop called for j is equals to 1, j less than or equals to I, j plus plus. Here I will write printf, then simply I'll be writing star in this loop. Okay, after this loop means I have to open flower bracket so that you can understand easily. Cut, I will be pasting here. Out of this loop I will be writing printf of slash n semicolon. Write file, save, patterns program dot c. Let us compile the program. Let us run the program. So here we got 5 rows. In first row we got 1 star, in second row we got 2 stars, in third row we got 3 stars. How it all happens, let us see. So here value of I starts at 1 and I less than or equals to 5, which is true. Then we will comes here. I am writing j is equals to 1, j less than or equals to I, which is also true. That's why it prints 1 star. Then j will be incremented by 1, then it becomes false. When j becomes 2, it will becomes false as the I value is 1. So it will exits after printing 1 star and it generates a new line here. That means what is the output here? Only if a star got printed, right? Second time I will become 2, 2 less than or equals to 5, which is true. J starts at 1, j less than or equals to I, which is true. Hence in the second line it will print 1 star, then j will becomes 2, 2 less than or equals to I, which is also true. So hence it will print another star, j will becomes 3, j less than or equals to I, which is false. So after printing 2 stars it will becomes false, hence it generates another new line. So again I will becomes 3, 3 less than or equals to 5, which is true. J starts at 1, now condition becomes true. In the third line it is going to print 1 star, then it will becomes 2, 2 less than or equals to I, it prints another star. So j will becomes 3, it will print another star as a condition true. When j will becomes 4, 4 less than or equals to I, which is false, it stops. In the next line after exiting the loop it will generate a new line. So I will becomes 4, 4 less than or equals to 5, which is true. So here also it is true. Now it will generate 1 star, 2 stars, 3, 4, because j value 1 true, 2 true, 3 true, 4 true. When j will becomes 5, it will becomes false, hence it will generate another new line. Right, again I will becomes 5, 5 less than or equals to 5, which is true. J starts at 1 means it repeats the process for 1, true, 2, true, 3, still true, 4, still true, 5, still true. When it will become 6, condition here false. Here I will becomes generates a new line. Here it will generate a new line when I will becomes 6 less than or equals to 5, which is false. So this is a pattern. First line 1 star, second line 2 star, third line 3 star, fourth line 4 stars. So let us see the outputs. Compile, run. Right? Instead of printing this star, if I go for printing of I, so what the output will generate? Right? File, save. Then compile, then run. So first loop we will be having I value 1, second loop I value will be 2, third loop I value will be 3. So that's why in the first loop I value as 1, one time it is printed, second time 2, 2 times printed, third time 3, 3 times printed, and so on. Right? Instead of I, if we write j here, file, save, compile, then run. So 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? If I write the value of I will be 5, I greater than or equals to 1, I minus minus. So j value is 1, j less than or equals to I, j plus plus, then what will be happening? File, save, then compile, then run. The output is this one, downwards pattern. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, then 1. So if we write here 1, I greater less than or equals to 5, I plus plus, here j is equals to 1, j greater than or equals to, j value will be 5, j greater than or equals to I. If I make this change, file, save, then compile, then run. Here is another output. So by interchanging the values of I and j, we are going to get different patterns of outputs. Now lastly, if I will print here star, compile, then run. So this is the pattern of stars we will get. That's all in this program. In the next program we are going to print pyramid of stars, full pyramid of stars.